When it comes to connecting your USB-C devices, not all cables are created equal. The Belkin 3. 1 USB-C to USB-C cable stands out by delivering lightning-fast data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. That's up to 20 times faster than USB 2.0 and twice as fast as USB 3.0. Whether you're syncing a massive music library or transferring an HD movie, this cable gets the job done in seconds, not minutes. Designed with a sleek, low-profile connector, this cable doesn't just look good, it's built to perform. Its minimal design hides powerful technology inside, ensuring your devices charge quickly and safely while maintaining stable, high-speed data connections. You'll notice the difference the moment you plug it in. The Belkin USB-C cable supports up to 100 watts of power delivery at 5 amps, making it ideal for charging everything from smartphones to laptops. Whether you're powering a Samsung Galaxy S8, a MacBook Pro, or any USB-C-enabled device, this cable handles it all without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's fully compatible with Thunderbolt 3, so you get versatile performance across your devices. Forget the confusion around USB-C cables. Many cables on the market claim USB-C compatibility but only deliver USB 2.0 speeds or lack charging capabilities. This cable combines both fast charging and true USB 3.1 data speeds, making it the perfect companion for docks, monitors, and external drives. It's a reliable choice for anyone who demands speed and power in one package. Users rave about the Belkin 3.1 USB-C cable's durability and performance. One MacBook Pro owner shared how this cable replaced a short, fragile dock cable that broke easily. After switching to Belkin, their laptop charges flawlessly, and their 4K monitor, USB ports, and audio all work seamlessly through the dock. It's not the cheapest option, but the quality and trustworthiness make it worth every penny. If you're tired of slow transfers, unreliable charging, or cables that just don't last, the Belkin 3.1 USB-C to USB-C cable is the upgrade you need. It's engineered to keep up with your fast-paced digital life, delivering speed, power, and peace of mind in one sleek package. Ready to experience the difference? Choose Belkin for your USB-C needs and enjoy faster data, safer charging, and a cable that works as hard as you do.